Looking to take your backyard barbecue skills on the road? In this video, we're counting down the best portable pellet grills. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or hitting the beach, these compact cookers deliver big flavor anywhere you go. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Traeger Grills Pro. The Traeger Grills Pro 22 is a standout choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who crave versatility and authentic wood-fired flavors. As the original wood pellet smoker and grill combo, this model earns high marks for its 6-in-1 functionality, allowing users to grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue with a single unit. Whether you're preparing a simple weeknight dinner or hosting a weekend cookout, this grill adapts effortlessly to your culinary needs. One of its best features is the Advanced Digital Pro Controller, which maintains precise temperature control within plus or minus 15 degrees from 80 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it easy to achieve consistent results whether you're grilling hot and fast or smoking low and slow. Built for stability and longevity, the Traeger Pro 22 features a powder-coated steel body and porcelain-coated grill grates that simplify cleanup and resist wear. Its rugged sawhorse chassis, side lift bar, and large durable wheels make moving the grill around your backyard or patio an effortless task. Number 2. Traeger Grills Pro 34. The Traeger Grills Pro 34 continues Traeger's tradition of delivering superior wood-fired flavor with reliable performance. Perfect for those who prefer the unmistakable taste of wood over gas or charcoal, this pellet grill offers 6-in-1 cooking versatility. Whether you're grilling, smoking, baking, roasting, braising, or barbecuing, the Pro 34 adapts with ease, making it a dependable choice for various cooking styles. Its Digital Pro Controller uses advanced grilling logic to maintain temperatures within a narrow plus or minus 15 degree range from 80 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it easy to achieve consistent results whether you're grilling hot and fast or smoking low and slow. Built for stability and longevity, the Pro 34 is built from powerful steel and finished with a durable powder coat finish, ensuring both performance and longevity. Porcelain-coated grill grates simplify cleanup, while all-terrain wheels make it easy to maneuver over patios, grass, or gravel. Where this model truly shines is in its cooking capacity, offering a generous 884 square inches of cooking space. That's enough room to accommodate 8 chickens, 7 racks of ribs, or up to 40 burgers at once, making it ideal for larger gatherings or serious meal preppers. Number 3. Pit Boss Pellet Grill. The Pit Boss Pellet Grill offers outstanding value and versatility in a compact yet powerful package. With 518 square inches of cooking space, it provides ample room for grilling, smoking, and searing a variety of foods. Its digital control board with a clear LCD screen allows you to dial in your desired cooking temperature, ranging from 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, while its ability to reach direct flame searing temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit sets it apart from many competitors in its price range. Durability is a key feature with porcelain-coated steel cooking grids and a high-temperature matte black powder coat finish, ensuring both performance and longevity. The solid bottom shelf offers convenient storage for tools and accessories, while all-terrain wheels make it easy to move around on your patio, grass, or gravel. Where this model truly shines is in its cooking capacity, offering a generous 518 square inches of cooking space. That's enough room for grilling, smoking, and searing a variety of foods. Its digital control board with a clear LCD screen allows for dialing in your desired cooking temperature, ranging from 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, while its ability to reach direct flame searing temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit sets it apart from many competitors in its price range. Durability is a key feature, with porcelain-coated steel cooking grids and a high-temperature matte black powder coat finish, ensuring both performance and longevity. The solid bottom shelf offers convenient storage for tools and accessories, while all-terrain wheels make it easy to maneuver around on your patio, grass, or gravel. Where this model truly shines is in its cooking capacity, offering a generous 518 square inches of cooking space. That's enough room for grilling, smoking, and searing a variety of foods. Its digital control board with a clear LCD screen allows you to dial its desired cooking temperature, ranging from 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, while its ability to reach direct flame searing temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit sets it apart from many competitors in its price range.
Number 4. Traeger Grills TFT 18KLD. Compact, Portable and highly capable, the Traeger Grills TFT18KLD, also known as the Ranger, is perfect for outdoor adventures, tailgating, and small patios. Its digital arc controller ensures precise temperature control, allowing you to grill, smoke, or sear with confidence. The advanced grilling logic maintains consistent heat throughout the cook, giving you reliable, flavorful results every time. Designed for convenience, the Ranger includes a porcelain-coated cooking grate and a cast iron griddle, both easy to clean and versatile enough for breakfast to dinner. The built-in meat probe makes it simple to monitor internal food temperatures without lifting the lid, retaining heat and ensuring perfectly cooked meats. With a keep warm mode, your food stays ready to serve when you are, adding flexibility to your cooking routine. Despite its small size, the Ranger doesn't compromise on quality. It's built tough for transport and outdoor use, while delivering the authentic wood-fired flavor Traeger is known for. Ideal for anyone who values portability and precision, the Traeger Ranger is a reliable, feature-rich option for on-the-go grilling technology. Number 5. Z-Grill's ZPG 450A. The Z-Grill's ZPG 450A is an impressive pellet grill that stands out for its versatility, ease of use, and ability to deliver authentic wood smoke flavors. This model is designed as an 8-in-1 ultimate outdoor cooking machine, giving you the ability to barbecue, bake, roast, braise, smoke, grill, sear, and char grill, all on a single unit. If you've been stuck deciding between a traditional charcoal, gas, or electric grill, this pellet grill introduces a new dimension of flavor and convenience that's hard to beat. The beauty of pellet grill technology lies in how it infuses your food with rich, smoky flavors that gas and charcoal simply can't replicate. From ribs to brisket to pizza and desserts, the taste you get from wood-fired pellets is something you'll notice right away. One of the most practical aspects of the Z-Grill's ZPG 450A is its cost effectiveness. A 20-pound bag of pellets can give you up to 20 hours of consistent cooking time, and when you compare that to the operating costs of gas or charcoal grills over time, pellets often come out as the more affordable option. What's equally appealing is how easy this grill is to operate. You won't need to stand over it constantly adjusting heat or dealing with messy startups. Once you set your desired temperature, the ZPG 450A manages the rest, maintaining an even heat so you can relax and enjoy your gathering. The latest upgrades to this model include a PID controller and an added meat probe port, which helps you monitor internal food temperatures without lifting the lid and losing precious heat.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.